In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PenFed account 2025, step by step. We'll start by heading to the Open PenFed Account 2025 page. This is your launchpad for everything you need. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Step by Step, Opening Your Account. Clicking that will guide you into the process and ensure you're following the latest requirements for the year. From that section, continue by selecting the option to go to PenFed's website so you're applying directly through the official portal. On the PenFed site, you'll see options for existing members and new applicants. If you're not yet a member, choose the I'm not a member option. This tells PenFed to create your membership alongside your account application, and it ensures you see the right forms. Next, you'll be asked to provide your personal information. Have your government-issued ID ready along with your address, date of birth, and taxpayer identification details if requested. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your documents to avoid verification delays. If the system asks a few identity questions, answer carefully and double-check spelling and numbers before moving forward. You'll then set your initial deposit. Review the minimum required amount for the account you're opening. Choose your funding method, like an external bank transfer or debit card, and confirm the dollar amount. Make sure the source account has sufficient funds and that the name on the funding account matches your application to prevent holds or reversals. Before submitting, review and accept the disclosures. These explain rates, fees, membership terms, and electronic consent. Take a moment to read the key points so you understand how interest, availability of funds, and any maintenance rules work. When you're ready, submit your application and wait for approval. Many applications are reviewed quickly, but if additional verification is needed, watch for a follow-up message. Keep an eye on your email and your application status page for updates, and respond promptly if documentation is requested. Once approved, you can open additional accounts if you want to add products like a savings, checking, or certificate. This is optional, but doing it now can streamline funding and keep everything under one membership. Finally, set up online and mobile banking. Create your login, enable multi-factor authentication for security, and download the mobile app. After you sign in, confirm your account details, set up alerts, and link external accounts if you plan to transfer funds. That's it. Your PenFed account is open and ready to use.